All right. If you've been paying attention to GameStop, it is one of our most widely searched tickers on our site. It's actually a trending ticker right now on yahoofinance.com. We've got Dan Howley, our tech editor, joining us now for a look at what is moving this stock higher today. I know that CEO George Sherman is stepping down, but any idea on who might lead this company now, Dan? I know they're looking to make that hard pivot and go to e-commerce.
Yeah, it really is. I think the George Sherman story kind of coming down from the position, not necessarily right away. They did say that July 31st is likely the time that they could move that up if they find a replacement sometime sooner. Obviously, the big deal here being that this is all part of GameStop's turnaround plan. And we also have, obviously, Ryan Cohen. He's the investor who moved in, bought up a ton of shares, and is now going to be chairman over at GameStop, obviously co-founder of Chewy, who wants to be instrumental in this turnaround for GameStop. Really what the company is trying to do is turn itself from a primarily brick and mortar operation to a digital operation with brick and mortar. And while doing that, they want to become more of not just games provider, but anything that's tangentially related to games. So TVs, gaming accessories, PCs, anything along those lines to kind of goose the sales there. And then, in its most recent quarter, they did have net sales down year over year from 2.19 billion to 2.12 billion. But they did see an increase in online sales of 175%. So obviously, they're doing a good job getting everyone online, but they still have this huge overhead with those stores. It's also worth pointing out that Keith Gill, otherwise known as Roaring Kitty, and another name online, he did increase his stake in the company by about 50,000 shares. He's now up to 200,000 shares of GameStop, and that is valued at $33 million now. So he's done quite well for himself. I don't know how much better off the people at Wall Street Bets, the Reddit board, are compared to him. But obviously he made the right call. GameStop up around 3,000% in the last 12 months of trading.
Wow, incredible. I'll have to see if Roaring Kitty doubled down on GameStop, decided not to trade on those options for some tax consequences, right? We're going to actually talk to somebody a little bit later on about some of those tax consequences. But all right, curious to see. Thanks a lot, Dan Howley.